Have you ever felt like your mind just won't stop running? Millions of thoughts every minute. Fear of losing something. Fear of not getting what you truly want. It feels heavy, doesn't it? If you're going through this, you are not alone. Our mind is like a river. When it flows gently, it nourishes life. But when it floods with too many thoughts, it drowns us. Most of the time, it's not the outside world. It's our inner chatter that creates fear and stress. We start thinking, what if I fail? What if I lose something? What if I never get there? And these what-ifs become chains that hold us back. So how do we calm this storm inside us? Here are a few simple but powerful steps. 1. Breathe deeply. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Feel the air going in and out. This simple act tells your brain, you are safe. 2. Write it down. Instead of carrying millions of thoughts in your head, put them on paper. You'll realize not everything needs your attention right now. 3. Live in the moment. Fear comes from thinking of the future. Peace comes from being in the present. Ask yourself, at this very moment, am I safe? Am I okay? The answer is usually yes. 4. Positive self-talk. Replace what if I fail with what if I succeed? Replace I can't with I'm learning. Your words shape your reality. 5. Daily silence practice. Even 5 minutes of meditation or sitting quietly without your phone can recharge your entire day. Strength is not about never falling. It's about rising every single time. Every challenge, every fear is just training your mind to become stronger. Remember, diamonds are created under pressure, and so are strong minds. So next time fear whispers, reply with courage. I am stronger than my thoughts. So, my friend, calmness is not the absence of thoughts. It's the art of controlling them. Start small, breathe, write, stay present, and slowly you'll notice. Your mind becomes your best friend, not your enemy. Stay strong, stay calm, and remember, peace begins within you.